In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to use a 4-blocker template. Let's get started right now. At the top of the slide, replace slide title with your project name. When presenting this slide, you're going to start in the top left, then the top right, then bottom left, and bottom right. The circular icons, which are colorblind friendly, you've got the caret facing down that's red for when things are not so good. Then you've got amber with the pause sign in it. That indicates it's a cautionary status. And then the caret facing up in green, all systems are go. So the scope section, the first quadrant, what is in scope, the commitments and dates. If you're changing anything here after the start of the project, then you need to indicate and communicate that out to your team and certainly to your manager. This section should not change after your project starts. Remember to like this video and subscribe below. Leave a comment if you have a PowerPoint question. The second quadrant in the top right is the status and accomplishments, your milestones, any meetings that you've completed with outside vendors or major meetings within the company, and the status of any major open issues. In the bottom left, we have risks and opportunities, any challenges that you've faced, if needed, message to management when top-down support is needed. Put the bad news first and the good news second. And make sure if you have bad news, double check your data, double check the information you have. Certainly speak to your manager or those involved first. You don't want to blindside someone in the meeting. That's just not a good political thing to do for your career. And if action is needed from someone, get a name and a date. If you don't get a name and a date in the meeting, it's not going to get done. In the bottom right quadrant is your next steps, next milestones, upcoming events and meetings, path for open issues, and again, get names and dates for all pending action items. Use slide 2 as your template. Click the like button, click on the subscribe button, tap on the bell to get notified for any future updates. Go to the link below for the template, and I'll see you again soon.